Let's learn to make chicken biryani. Yum! Looks delicious. Let's start. First, turn on the flame and place a kadaih. Add about 5 tablespoons oil. Add 2 sliced onions. Stir well. Add 2 to 3 elaichi, 4 to 5 cloves, small cinnamon stick. Stir well. Add a 1/4 cup mint leaves, 3 slitted green chilies. Stir well. Add 5 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, a 1/2 teaspoon haldi, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, a 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder. Combine well. Add 750 grams chicken. Combine well. Take 350 milliliters curd and whisk well. Now add curd. Add handful of mint leaves. Stir well. Take 1 lemon, squeeze it. Now add the lemon juice. Stir well. Cover and let it cook on low flame for 20 minutes. Now take a huge vessel, add 3 cups rice, 6 cloves, 2 elaichi, 1 cinnamon stick, handful coriander leaves, handful mint leaves. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 6 cups water. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Cook on high flame until the rice is 70% cooked. Now strain the rice. Add the prepared chicken masala, Afreen. Mix gently. Do not overmix. Add some mint leaves for garnishing and let it cook for about 20 minutes on low flame. Now our chicken biryani is ready to eat.